Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Now let us discuss some questions related to Ganiger's reaction. Okay, some competitive questions. Now we know that only the aldehydes having no alpha hydrogen atom undergo Ganiger's reaction. So suppose there is a question like when 2,2-dimethyl-propanol. Now see here, if this is the functional group and here this one is your alpha carbon atom, this is the functional group and this carbon is your alpha carbon atom, then into the alpha carbon atom there are 3 beta carbon atom, but here in this alpha carbon atom there is no alpha hydrogen atom is there. So if a aldehyde having no alpha hydrogen atom means it will undergo Ganiger's reaction. Okay, so when the two molecules of same aldehyde undergoes Ganiger's reaction and treated with concentrated alkali, then according to the reaction one will oxidize and another will reduce. So when there is oxidation takes place, then there is addition of oxygen will takes place and the product will be your 2,2-di. The product will be the salt of the corresponding acid, that is 2 sodium. This is your product. The name is sodium 2,2-dimethyl 1. This is your 2. This is your 3. So sodium 2,2-dimethyl propanoate. Okay. This is the oxidized product. Similarly, another one will undergo reduction. Reduction means addition of hydrogen. So here one hydrogen will be added, here one hydrogen will be added. So the compound becomes CH2OH. Now what is the name of this compound? 2,2-dimethyl propanol, because it is an alcohol, so it is a propanol OL. So this is the reduced product. Okay. Similarly, now you can tell me what is the answer of this question. Can you tell? Now see here. This is also a compound where there is no alpha hydrogen atom is there. If this one is your functional group, this is your alpha carbon. But to this alpha carbon, there is no hydrogen is linked. That means here this is also an example of an aldehyde having no alpha hydrogen atom is there. So two molecules of these two compounds, you can name this compound also. Okay. Now when it undergoes oxidation, what will be the product? And when it undergoes reduction, what will be the product? See here. Product will be CH3, CH2, CH3, CH3. Now, when it will undergo oxidation, then it becomes COONA. Okay. Similarly, when one undergoes reduction, the product H, that is your B product H, CH3, CH2, C. This one is CH3, this one is CH3, and this becomes what? It undergoes reduction means addition of hydrogen. Here you have to add one hydrogen, here one hydrogen, then it becomes what? CH2OH. So this is your CH2OH. Okay. Now, what is the name? You can write the name. You can do of your own. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is sodium 2,2-dimethyl butanoate. Okay. What? Sodium 2,2-dimethyl propanol. This one is butanoate. Only difference between methyl and ethyl group. Now next is, this is the what? 1, 2, 3, 4. So here it is 2,2-dimethyl butanol. Okay, this is your A product, this is your B product. Now, let us discuss some other questions. Okay, now see here. This is one reaction of Ganiger's reaction where we know that in Ganiger's reaction, when two different molecular, two different species, two species, not only two same species or two different species, only two species are there, then the type of reaction is only your intermolecular reaction. But when there is a reaction occurs in only one species, then that is only intermolecular reaction. So this is an example where two different molecules, different species react to form product, undergo Ganiger's reaction to form the product. See here. What is the name of this compound? This is your aldehyde functional group. In para position there is a methoxy group. So para-methoxy-benzaldehyde. Now if you see, this is your functional group. To this is totally a group. It's not a single carbon atom. So that means this is a compound having no alpha hydrogen atom. Similarly, this is also formaldehyde. You know that. Now what will be the product? Tell me here. What will be the product? The product is, always we know that when formaldehyde reacts with any other aldehyde, it always undergoes oxidation, and that other product reactant undergoes reduction, because formate ion, which is formed from formic acid, that is more stable. Now let us discuss some other questions. Okay, when para-methoxybenzyaldehyde reacts with formaldehyde, what will be the product? The product will be, always formaldehyde undergoes oxidation, so the product will be, that is your sodium formate, HC-double-bond-O-O-N-A, that is your sodium formate. This is your A product, sodium formate. Okay, so that means formaldehyde here undergoes oxidation. Similarly, this molecule undergoes reduction. Reduction means, how will I write this compound? CH3O. See, this compound, the all part, ये जो part है ना, ये part आपका same ही रह जाएगा. Only the aldehyde will undergo reduction, means addition of hydrogen takes place here and here. That means it will convert it into CH2OH. Only CHO will convert it into CH2OH. Rest portion is same. Okay, so that means this is your CH2OH. Okay, simple. Similarly, intermolecular reaction. Intermolecular reaction means one molecule within this molecule. There are two aldehyde functional groups are there, where both oxidation reduction takes place. If both oxidation reduction takes place, then the product becomes what? One will undergo oxidation, another will undergo reduction. Undergo oxidation means it will form COONA, and another one will form CH2OH. Okay, this is your A product. And further, if you will treat this with a dilute HCl, okay, then this becomes converted into your COOH, the salt COOH acid, and this becomes CH2OH. Can you tell me what is the name of this compound? This is your glycolic acid. Glycolic acid. Okay, so the A, according to the question, the answer is A. This one. Similarly, tell me, metachlorobenzyaldehyde when undergoes Canniger's reaction, what will be the product? Same thing. Always remember one thing: one aldehyde molecule undergoes reduction and another undergoes oxidation. So the product will be here. One will undergo oxidation, means COO. Okay, because here metal is, other one B is your what? B is your, one will undergo reduction. Reduction means here CHCl, and this here becomes CHO. Here it will, addition of H2 occurs, it becomes CH2OH.